Here we are at the FoxFury office in Oceanside, and I have Antonio with me.
Hi, everybody.
Antonio's going to take us on a little bit of a tour of their offices and show us where the magic of lighting happens. So let's rock it. Yeah, the magic of lighting.
Let's do it. All right, guys.
All right, walk us through.
So this is our office. So if you were to come in here and visit us, basically we have just an entryway. We have our VP Maria is right over there.
Say hi to Maria.
Say hi, Maria.
Welcome to FoxFury.
Thank you for having us.
And then we have our CEO, Mario.
The mastermind
who's
behind
not
it all.
in his office, but that's where he sits. We have the awesome Monaco right behind you.
Probably keeps track of
Yes.
everybody.
She keeps everyone accountable. She does our Japanese sales and hundreds of other things in here. But yeah, we'll come on through and we'll walk you into the rest of the place.
Check out the very cool sign.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Sign there. We have our kitchen over to the right. Let's
Oh, and
fill
you
up
have
by
to
the
check out behind
refrigerator.
us here.
Welcome.
What do we have here behind? We got Fuya.
This is our Fuya. So
What
this
is
is kind
Fuya?
of our expression of our Go team. It's kind of unique to
Like Booyah.
our company. It's like Booyah,
But it's
with the
Booyah
F.
with the F.
Yeah,
I
we got
like
the F
it.
in there. So yes.
FoxFury
Yes.
Booyah. Awesome.
All right, we'll take you into our
All right.
admin
Check
room.
it out. Check out this whole space here where they're showing off all their gear.
Oh yeah, absolutely. There's our showroom.
Fantastic. Little bit of everything happening here. I see a scouter, and I've got some flashlights and headlights. Of course, you got the SWAT gear. Pretty fantastic. And of course, you come over to the right here. You've got a Nomad. We love our Nomads. And then, of course, you've got some of the Rugos on the drones. Fantastic. And then we've got the heavy duty outdoor lights. We've got the Nomad T56, the 360, and our Prime, which we use in the field all the time, especially for our CSI demonstrations. So be sure to check out our website for current events on our next CSI demonstration. We do the night UAV flight, capturing data of a forensic scene with these fantastic lights. So, Antonio, where are we off next?
All right, let's go over here to our admin team. Let me knock in. Might be in a meeting.
All right, let's knock in.
All right.
Hello to
This
the
is
admin team.
Our admin team.
You're
So,
live on SMG's Facebook channel. Say hello.
we got Kim, Lance, and Robin. But anyway, we're just giving everybody a tour. So that's it. So we'll go to the next room. All
I
right.
like how you got the time zones.
Yes.
I often get confused on where I'm supposed to be, so I can appreciate that. I will shut them down. Thank you for letting us interrupt.
Alrighty, and then over here is all of our crazy and fun concepts come from our engineering team.
So this is really where the magic happens, where all
Yes.
the new R&D designs happen in this world.
Yes.
Welcome to the engineering team of FoxFury.
You're filming?
We are filming. We are live
we
on
were going to
SMG's
say a
Facebook.
bunch of things.
Oh,
that better not now.
glad we shut up now.
Now, of course, the 3D printer where all of the prototypes are started before they go into manufacturing. So, very excited about the next products that are coming out that we can't quite talk about yet, but they're coming soon.
Don't show that side. Thank you.
All right, where are we headed to next, Antonio?
I'm back. Alrighty.
Welcome back, Antonio.
Yes, I'm back. Sorry, I'm just cutting in and out. This is our marketing office. So please come on in. Some of us have been in meetings today. So we got Tracy and Chris.
Howdy.
Chris shoots our videos. Tracy's our marketing manager. Does so much stuff in here. And let's go see.
This feels like a really bright, brilliant room with all the yellow and the white. It feels very creative.
It's our fun space where we plan all of our trade
I
shows,
like it.
website stuff, and all that.
Fantastic.
We're going to say hi to
I like
Justin.
the yellow.
Oh,
Justin handles our
All
trade
right.
shows back here.
Trade show management.
and don't forget Ray.
And Ray. If he's
All
still
right.
here, if he's still here, yes. Let's do
Come
it.
on in. We're going into
All
the
right.
warehouse now.
All right. This is our warehouse area. That's Jessamine doing our trade show prep. So that's her back there. These are all of our lights that we bring over to events. We help out with events around the city and community, or if we do larger scale events at conferences like in Reno.
Right.
Coming
Is
up
that
in
the
a
next
few
one
weeks.
that you're headed to?
Yep, that's our next
And which
one.
one's that?
That's going to be the IAI Forensic Conference in Reno. So.
What does that stand for? The identification.
Yeah, International Association for Identification.
Right, so forensics in Reno.
Yep.
Looking forward to that one. We are doing a night UAV CSI event there, so be sure to check our website for details on that event, for location and time.
Mhm.
All right, do you have the dummy that you're going to put up in your booth for there?
Our dummy, I think, is all in the crate.
Oh, it's crated. Oh, I thought maybe we'd have a sneak peek. You'll have to visit us at the IAI conference to see the dummy. It is a very special dummy.
You have to have some fun at forensic conferences. It's can be a little
Can you
little
give them a
sad
little
at times.
sneak peek?
Yes.
What color?
We're talking black and white.
Black and white?
Maybe some accent colors thrown in. So.
Maybe some green?
Some green. Yes. Sorry. Picking up what you're putting down. Yes. Green for
Awesome.
sure.
All right, is there anything else you'd like to show us before we say goodbye?
I think that's it, 'cause I think our warehouse team is out for the day, so.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for joining us here
Yes.
at FoxFury
Thank you, everybody.
Oceanside. We certainly appreciate you spending a little bit of time with us and seeing the magic of FoxFury inside.
Yes. Thank you.